my name is Prapti.
Hello, my name is Alpa.
And welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to unbox Scrabble!
Uh-oh, not today.
Huh?
You're going to unbox something else.
What?
Yes.
Oh, wait, what?
Yes, I have a surprise for you.
No, seriously?
Yeah.
No, what? Wait, what? No, this is unexpected for real. What?
Yeah,
No,
it's
what?
a surprise.
I wonder what it is.
Are you ready?
Yeah. I don't know. Wait, what?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Okay. So guys, this is a surprise for you. Now you have to guess first before you open this.
Can I wait? It sounds like. Give us a hint. We'll try to guess.
No, I'm not going to say anything.
There are no more guesses.
Okay. Ready? Okay, you can open it.
Oh, here. Oh my god.
So hard to open?
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Packet or box?
SPEKS! My gosh. My mind is blown. Look, guys. SPEKS. We got SPEKS. Can we unbox this?
Yes.
So, guys, we got a surprise from our mom, and our mom bought us SPEKS. Just look at how cool they are. So excited and happy. Thank you, Mom.
Okay, now let's do it all over again. Hi guys.
Okay. Hi, guys. My name is Prapti.
Hello, my name is Opa.
And welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to unbox SPEKS. Are you ready? 3,
Yeah.
2, 1. Okay, guys, let's unbox this. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Okay, let's get it out. OMG. Okay, guys, let's open this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Wait. Now I feels so good and is awesome. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Mom. I love this. Hi guys, this is part 2. And as you know, in part 1, our mom got us a surprise. And the surprise was SPEKS. The SPEKS come with 1,000 powerful rare earth magnets.
1,000? That's a lot.
Right. And these SPEKS are mashable, smashable, buildable, colorful, and fun. Okay, let's see what's inside. Wow. So guys, we opened the box and these are what was inside the box. First we have 1,000 rare earth magnets and there is 10 different colors. Next we have a starter guide. And then we have a container. We can always put the SPEKS in when we're not playing with it. And next we have a metal base. And last we have a splitter card. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's play with the SPEKS. First of all, I love to mash it. Opal, do you want to hear it?
Yes.
Okay, ready? I love the sound. And the feel, texture, it's awesome and amazing. You want to try it, Pooh?
Yeah. I made a heart. Okay.
That sounds so satisfying, right?
Yeah.
Next, we're going to make a long chain. Okay, do you want some, Pooh?
Yeah.
Here. So this is what you do. You take a little bit and pull it. Like this. Wow, that's a long chain. So guys, this is how you make a long chain, and as you can see, I made a long chain. Okay. Okay, now let's make a circle.
Okay, let's make a circle.
So guys, this is our circle. And you can make the chain longer and turn it into a bracelet. Oh! Next, we're gonna make a ring. So first, I'm gonna take a little bit of the chain and I'm gonna wrap it around my finger. Just like this. And as you can see, we have a ring.
I'm making a ring too.
Yep, let's see how she does. Oh wow, that's a big ring.
Okay, this is my ring.
And this is my ring. So guys, we made a ring and next we're gonna make a design. For our design, I'm gonna make a circle.
I'm gonna make a hexagon.
About this much. And now that I made my circle, I'm gonna put it on my ring. Just like this. Ta-da! The ring is finished. How does this look? Ooh,
It looks good.
thank you.
This is my ring.
And this is my ring.
So here is my ring.
And here's my ring. And ooh, that is so big.
Yeah, I like big designs.
Next, let's make a bracelet. So first, I'm gonna use my long chain and wrap it around my wrist. Ta-da! A bracelet. So far, we made a ring and a bracelet. Next, let's make a hexagon. So I'm gonna make a long chain again. So. Here, I made a really long chain. Now, I'm gonna show you how to make a hexagon. First, you just roll it like a circle, and then it will start to look like a hexagon. Just like this. Almost finished.
This is my hexagon.
Here, so this is my hexagon.
Whoa, it's so big.
Thank you. Can I see yours?
This is mine.
Let's put this side by side. So far, we've made a ring, a bracelet, and hexagons. So what's next one?
Let's make a necklace.
Sure. So guys, we don't have enough spec to make 2 necklaces, so we're gonna make 1 necklace. Okay, so first let's both make a long chain, and then we're gonna connect it together.
I'm almost done.
Yep, I'm finished.
I'm finished.
Now we're gonna connect it together. Oh, so this doesn't stick, so we're gonna flip one and then connect it again. Oh, here.
Wow, that's a very long chain.
Yep. Now we're gonna make a necklace for Opus, so we're gonna connect this together. Okay, ready? Here, let's try again. Here. And for a little design, we're just gonna put this. Ta-da!
I'm a spec girl.
Yeah. Opal, you look fancy.
Thank you.
Here. So this is Opal's necklace. This is Opal's ring. Oh. And this is Opal's bracelet. So Opal has a speck necklace, and we're gonna make a little design. For that, we're gonna use our hexagons. Okay, Opal, let's put it right there. Ta-da! This is Opal's necklace. It looks so good on you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So far, we've made a ring, bracelet, hexagon, and for Opal, we made a necklace. This was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Peace out. SPEKS!